Hi everyone, welcome to Speak English with Jay. Today we are going to talk about how to make your English fluent within just 5 steps. A lot of people asked me, even they used several steps in order to make their English fluent, they couldn't. So my answer was, they might be using outdated methods in order to make their English fluent. So today we are going to speak about really new, modernized methods on how to make your English fluent. Trust me, these modern ways will help you to make your English just superb. So stay tuned. I'm going to speak about 5 simple, very easy and very new methods. The first method is to provide translations on a day-to-day basis for the subjects that you're most interested in. This translation process will help you to find new words, to find new meanings, and it will help you to put those new words into your vocabulary. It is really important to know the difference and to compare different languages and to see how they translate. It's a really good process to make your English fluent. The best thing I recommend is that you can provide translations for YouTube channels. It's absolutely free. So make sure that you choose your best and the most interested YouTube channels that you like. So there will be a hell lot of work, I know, but it is absolutely fun. So make sure you find a YouTube channel according to the subject that you're most interested in. If you're interested in travel, drama, fashion designing or cookery, make sure that you choose a channel respectively according to your most interested subject. So it will help you to know a lot of things. So at the same time, you can translate English into your native language, or it will help you to translate native language into English. Either way, these processes will help you to develop your English very well. So it's a really modern way and it's a really accurate way. So trust me, make sure that you do it. The second method is one of my personal favorites. It is going to be an easy method, definitely. It is to listen to songs. Fun, right? Yes. But there are some tricks and tips that you need to follow. The first thing is, choose the songs that you love. Choose the best songs that you love to listen. And make sure that you go to the internet and refer the lyrics. Read them and find new words. And make sure to know the meaning. Then after that, go back again and listen to the songs again. So when you're listening to the music, you will know the new words, you will know the idea of that song, and it will be really easy to know the pronunciation. So it's a fun, very accurate, and a perfect way to get better in English. So make sure that you listen to songs. Any kind of genre is fine. Jazz, classical, pop, rock. It's up to you, not to me. I love a lot of music. I listen albums and albums, but I make sure I do check on lyrics. So, good luck with that method. The third method is an enjoyable thing to do. This is going to be fun, obviously. All my methods are going to be really fun, but this is kind of energetic. This is going to be watch a movie. If you do not want to watch a movie and if you don't like to watch movies, you can do a lot of things, like you can watch TV series, you can watch soap operas, or you can listen to soap operas, or at the same time you can go and watch stage dramas. So when you're watching movies, or when you're listening to soap operas, or when you're checking on TV series, you need to do a specific thing, to have subtitles. Make sure you have English subtitles and check on those. I know when you go to a stage drama, there won't be subtitles, but it's good to do something better than, something is better than nothing. But so make sure you check on movies, You check on soap operas, you check on TV series, and if you have time and if you are a stage drama lover like me, hit to it, because it's a great way to know new words, new ideas, new ways of pronunciation, new ways of methods, and it is a variety of enjoyable thing to do. The fourth step is going to be a hard step. I mean, it's not that hard, but it's about reading. I know a lot of you do not like to read, but you have to do this. There are a lot of materials when it comes to reading, such as online ebooks, online newspapers, online articles about health, politics, and many more things. And if you do not want to do it online, you can read books or you can go for real newspapers. Either way is fine. But make sure when you're reading, you jot down new words. Because when it comes to newspapers or books or even online, any article or any reading material, it's a variety and a huge source of general knowledge and a lot of ideas and a lot of vocabulary. So make sure you do it. Let's take an example. If you're reading a newspaper, I know there are a lot of pages and it's boring. So do not read the whole newspaper. Take the newspaper and turn it quickly and see for the headlines that catches your eyes first and think for it. If you like it, just read the bold print headline. And you think it's interesting? Go for the story, find out the new things and read them in depth, because it will help you a lot. Same with the online ebooks, same with the books. If it's a storybook, you have to read to get the story. But come on, storybooks, we love to read, otherwise we will not choose it. So make sure the storybooks that you choose are the best storybooks that you want to read. So give it a go and it will be really fun. It's just to believe in your heart and to believe in yourself. Everything will be just fine then. So the last and the final step is to set a daily word goal. I'm not forcing you to set a goal like 10 words per day or 50 words per day. It's up to you. It's just X words per day. So if you're a newcomer or a beginner to English language, it's hard to find like 50 on the first day. Like even if it's 2 and if it's really important to you and if it's really in your heart, it's just 2. Fine. Go for it. Deal with that. But make sure you memorize those words each and every day. Even before you're going to sleep and after you get up off the bed, make sure you just get a glance of view from the words that you got. So have a daily goal and do it, because the more vocabulary you have, the more strong you will become in English. So trust me, it's a good thing to do and it's a fun thing to do. Words will come from the songs you listen, from the movies that you're going to watch, from the translations that you're going to do, and with everything. So there you go with my 5 modern steps on how to make your English fluent. So remember, it's all about practice and it's all about trying. We all do mistakes. No one of us is perfect. So make sure it's fine to make mistakes. The only thing that matters is that you practice and you try. So make sure you do all those above steps and practice them really well. This will help to make you fluent in English in no days. So if you like this video, put a thumbs up and make sure to put your ideas down in the comments. Thank you for joining with Speak English with Jay. Stay tuned for my new videos. See you. Bye bye.